love sunny mornings.
Good morning, my dear. Did you sleep well?
Yes, Mom. Good morning, Logan.
Good morning, Emma.
Logan, let's go play.
Yes! Let's go to the park!
Have fun. Be careful, my dears.
I can see the park.
Race you to the big oak tree.
The park is so beautiful today.
Come on! Ready, set, go!
Look! Birds are flying so high.
They are so free up there. So beautiful.
I wish I could fly too.
Me too! We would fly over the whole park. Did you hear that? Shh!
Yes.
What is that sound?
The sound is coming from the bushes.
Let's walk near the bushes, slowly.
It sounds like a kitten.
Over here! I can see something.
Oh no! A little kitten. And its paw. Look at its paw. It is hurt.
Look, Emma. A bicycle passed here. Right here.
The poor little kitten. It must be so scared. Don't worry, little one. I will help you. You are safe now.
Easy now, little one. I have you. You are safe.
Be careful, Emma. Support his paw. We must take him to Mom. She will know what to do.
Yes, let's go home. Now. Almost home, little one.
You are doing so well. Almost there. Mom!
Mom!
Mom! Come quickly. It is important.
Emma, Logan, what happened?
Mom, we found a kitten. He is hurt. Please help him.
Bring him here quickly, darling.
He cannot put his paw down, Mom.
It is his front paw. Gently. Good. Hold him still, dear. Let me see.
Is he okay, Mom? Is he okay?
I can see his little paw is hurt.
But is he okay, Mom?
He will be fine, but we must clean it carefully first.
It is okay. Mom is going to help you. You are safe. He is so small.
Almost done. You are being so brave, little one.
He is so good, Mom.
There you go. Feeling a little better? But he is still limping badly. I think we need to see a doctor today.
Then we must go today. Right, Mom?
Yes, we should see Dr. Benson. His clinic is just past the bakery on the main
I am
street.
coming too.
There we go. This will keep you safe and warm.
It is okay, little one. We are going to help you, I promise. We are almost there, little one.
Don't worry, Whiskers. Dr. Benson will help you.
There is the bakery. The clinic is just past it, on the left.
I can see it! The sign with the paw.
Hello? Is anyone home, please?
Hello, we need help, please. Don't worry, sweetie. We are here.
I am sure Dr. Benson is home. Don't be scared.
Hello! Please come in quickly. Tell me what happened.
We found him at the park. His paw is hurt. Walk on it.
There you go, little one. Easy now. I will be very gentle.
Is he okay, Dr. Benson?
Let me check this little paw very carefully. It is a small sprain. He will heal well.
Oh, thank goodness!
He is going to be okay.
That is wonderful news. Thank you, doctor.
You are going to be okay, Whiskers. Whiskers! That is his name now.
Yes, I love that name.
This medicine will help him heal fast. Keep him warm. Let him rest for 1 week.
We will. Thank you, doctor.
Thank you so much, Dr. Benson. You are very kind.
Thank you again, Dr. Benson. We will come back in 1 week.
Take good care of him. You are a wonderful family.
He looks so much happier now.
He does, doesn't he?
And soon he will be running everywhere.
There you go, Whiskers. You are home now. Rest well.
Sweet dreams, Whiskers.
I am so happy we found you, Whiskers.
Me too. This was a very good day.
Time to rest soon, everyone.
Good night, Whiskers.
Sleep well, little Whiskers.
Good morning, Whiskers. How is your paw today?
Is he okay? Is he awake?
Yes! Look at him! He is looking right at us. Look! He took a small step. Logan, look!
You are getting stronger every day, little Whiskers.
He loves playing with the yarn. Look at him go! He is so funny.
Emma, look! He is using his paw more and more.
Yes, he is getting better and better every day.
Now let me take a good look at your little paw, Whiskers.
Is it better, Mom? Is it all healed?
Look, Emma. His little paw is all healed. All better.
Really? Really, Mom?
Really, he is completely healed.
Look at him go! He is running so fast! He is so happy. I am so happy you are okay, Whiskers.
He is perfect.
You showed real kindness, my dear.
I am very proud of you.
Look, everyone! Our kitten is all better. Everyone, meet my friend Whiskers. He is the best.
He can walk so well now, Mom.
He can run as fast as us.
He is amazing. He is our Whiskers.
We found you right over there, Whiskers, under that bush. This was the best day ever, the day we found Whiskers.
You see, my dears, can help so much.
I am glad we listened.
I am glad we stopped. Me too.
Kindness always makes things better, my dear. Always.
I will always be kind, Mom. I promise. Dad, we found him at the park. He was hurt. We helped him.
You helped him? Well done, Emma. I am so proud of you both.
I think Whiskers loves our family.
He does, and we love him.
Sleep well, my dears.
Sweet dreams.
Sleep well, Whiskers. We are so happy you are here.